Hello TK, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this 2016 GXS-R750 blue and white, 14,303 kilometers, and the price is $98,888 plus the GST license. Fully safety certified, brand new tires front and rear. It comes with a nice Yosemite exhaust and a solo seat. And also this motorcycle comes with a throttle control, so when you cruise on the highway. And the most important at this time is available for you. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is to reach me is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.